Hey guys, so Lego sent us this Lego Friends Advent Calendar, which my daughter is going to do the unboxing for. So Shayla, can you flip it around and show us the other side? As you can see, it's going to have lots of Lego Friends on it, so let's dive into the unboxing. If you don't want to see what's inside, stop the video now. So the box comes like this, and then you fold the flap down, and that becomes your area where you can put all of your Legos that you open every single day. So go ahead, Shayla. You're going to start with explaining what day one, etc., and what's inside. So go ahead.
Day one. Whoa!
What is it?
It's a person. If you don't know what it is, you just look at the back of the door.
And it shows you how to put it together or what it is. Awesome.
Day two. It's a little table with food.
All right. And as a side note, we are putting the bags of Legos back in so we can actually do them in the month of December.
Day three.
Lots of pieces in that one.
Oh, it's a fireplace with a cute little stocking. Day four. A pretzel. I guess, a table and a cute little dog.
Aww.
He's right here.
Oh, he's cute.
Day five. It's a mailbox.
To put letters to Santa in, right?
Yeah, see? Right here.
Is there an envelope?
Yeah, that's the envelope. Day six. An elf with two bows.
Cute.
Day seven. Another big one.
Is that a chimney? A fireplace? I don't really know.
I do not know what that is.
Something to hang a wreath on, it looks like. Okay. So maybe holiday decorations?
Yeah, I guess. Day eight. It's a little duck in the back. He is right here.
Oh yeah, he's cute.
Day nine. I do not know what this one is, but we'll see when we put it together. Day 10. It's
like cupcakes and donuts, maybe?
Yeah.
Yum.
And cookies. Day 11. A table with a train.
A lot of people decorate their Christmas tree with a train going around it. That's cute.
Day 12. This one's hard to get.
What does Braden want for Christmas?
It's a skateboard with 4 bows. Day 13. It's a dessert table. Day 14. I do not know what this thing is. I don't know what it is, but we'll see when we put it together. Day 15. It's It's another elf.
Cute.
Day 16.
Oh, a wrapping paper set.
It's a wrapping paper set.
Yeah, like one of those tables you see at the store where they have the big rolls of wrapping paper.
Yeah, this is the wrapping paper, I
Nice.
guess. Day 17.
Presents.
Yeah, they're presents. Day 18. It's a fire with cups for hot chocolate. Day 19. I do not know what this is. It looks like something cold and snowy. Day 20. It's a snowman.
Only a few days left.
Day 21. It's a sled.
I wonder who needs a sled.
Maybe the elves or one of the people.
Who needs a sled, Shayla?
So,
Yeah.
22. Where are you? Day 22.
That's the part of the sled that holds all the presents.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if we'll
it's
see Santa.
So it's going to be. So the sled is going to be bigger. Day 23. It's a Christmas tree. That's why there was lots of green.
There's only one day left. Who do you think is on day 24?
Santa.
We'll see.
Day 24.
So instead of Santa, who did you get?
Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus. So I guess she's going to deliver the gifts to the friends, right?
Yes.
She had a little trouble with this exit, so I hope you guys enjoyed this sneak peek of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and I'll see you in my next video.
Happy holidays. Bye.